If the outdoor air is currently poor, are there any changes or modifications you should be making to your building?
Sure, that's a great question, and I'm going to answer it two different ways. So in general, if you have challenging outdoor air conditions, such as shoulder seasons, where you don't have a big heat load, but you might have a moisture load in the fall or spring, in general, your building HVAC system can handle these. You might go a little bit out of range at times, but if the system's maintained well, it'll handle it and you'll get back down to normal. And that's why we like to monitor over time, right? So if we went and did a spot check and saw that you might have 59% relative humidity, we could get nervous there. But when we're monitoring, we're actually comparing against outside weather also, or conditions, and we can see that actually, a rainstorm came through, right? And this drove that. So I wouldn't get nervous about that, and we're definitely not recommending to have a facilities manager watching the dials all the time and turning dials or gauges trying to optimize indoor air quality, right? Once the system's set up and maintained, it should do a pretty good job over time of leveling out. In worst case scenarios, say you're in California when there are wildfires, you might want to make a decision and say it's time to turn off ventilation. We realize there's going to be an impact on higher CO2 levels, but we can't handle an amount of PM that's coming in, right? And you might want to make that decision. But in general, I would say the building system that's well maintained can handle it.